Hello everyone, this is Larry with Larry the Computer Guy. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan. We specialize in cybersecurity and compliance. So for this week's tech tips, are you thinking of getting rid of that old computer or phone? Before you do, it's crucial to make sure you delete all the data on it. You can factory reset most computers and phones to permanently destroy that data. You can also remove hard drives in desktop computers, although in laptop computers that is not a simple process anymore, and may be best to bring it into your IT tech company to have them do that for you. It's very crucial that you make sure you do not leave personal data on these devices, as someone can use that personal data against you. So the next tip is try these steps to increase your Wi-Fi speed. First, place your wireless router or gateway in an open area in the middle of your house. Then tweak your router settings for optimal performance. For the best wireless experience, consider a new wireless router if yours is more than a couple of years old. Also, for security reasons, it's a great idea if your router is more than a couple of years old to replace it. If necessary, you can install a repeater or range extender or an access point to boost the wireless signal of your router. For the next tip is how do you capture a screen in Windows 10? It is very important sometimes, or you just want to be able to capture whatever you see on your screen, whether that's a website, and there's a pretty simple way to do that now in Windows 10. You want to hold down the Windows, Shift, and S key all at the same time. A screen capture utility will pop up. You use your mouse to select the region you want to capture, and after you've done that, in the lower right hand corner down by the time, you'll click on the pop-up, and then you can save, edit, resize, and print that graphic. Now, another feature which is really cool is the Windows V key will allow you to view everything in your clipboard. So once you've captured 2 or 3 things that you want, you can use Windows and then the V key, and then you can view those items, and then you can click on them and cut and paste them into documents or save them as you desire. There's also a feature that if you want to maintain and keep whatever you've captured, you can click on a little pin within the Windows V utility, or the capture utility, and that will remain in there forever. So the next tip is make sure you install updates. It's imperative right now in this mess that you install updates you receive for your operating systems from Microsoft and also Apple. Third-party programs like Firefox, Chrome, Adobe, and others release updates to patch your programs. These need to be updated as soon as they are available to give you the greatest security. Thank you everyone, have a great day, and stay safe out there.